need a
best kept secret.
I need a grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play.
Good morning, guys. It is time for breakfast. Let's make some protein bagels.
Flowers die and diamonds long. You shouldn't have to try it alone. Tell me you're mine or no. We like Weezy and Telephone. She got a roll. Baby pushing G class, getting big figures. She can buy whatever, but a real nigga. Vibes don't die like a moan. Real nigga give a fuck what he come on to. Oh hey, it's a difference over here. Arabian wood, smell me. She only drink water, she keep that pussy healthy. It's the kind of bad thing that feel good, love it. Good thing that feel bad when you get too much of it. Will you live for a little babe? I need more of it. Way too high for a little babe. I'm sure of it. Oh, yeah. Vibes on me. Just relax, it's what it is. Just relax, let it just relax. Let it just relax. Flowers die and diamonds long. You shouldn't have to try it alone. Tell me you're mine or no. We like Weezy and Telephone. She got a roll. Baby pushing G class, getting big figures. She can buy whatever, but a real nigga. Vibes don't die like a moan. Real nigga give a fuck what he come on to. Oh hey, it's a difference over here. Arabian wood, smell me. She only drink water, she keep that pussy healthy. It's the kind of bad thing that feel good, love it. Good thing that feel bad when you get too much of it. Will you live for a little babe? I need more of it. Way too never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that.
From the blood, be light, fire it up, right it, baby. Be the from the lyric, baby. Be the chord that sing on the sun. Cries on the worm, and it's you. Be the down to turn back, paper, baby. I be the say I am the one, 'cause you want to. You're the number 10, even when it's dark, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in you and I. Put your pretty little hand in, even when I'm down to the wire, baby.
Your pussy fat inna your shots.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah, make you come first, coulda never take a loss. Yeah, like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fucking. Girl, you make it cocky brother. Original girl, some of them a dinner coffee.
And if you hear this, then go on the back. Go on the knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ V10 on the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, let do it like it.
Sure, we're done. Hold on, let me catch my breath. I'm so tired. So this workout consists of walk, Pilates, dance, weights, and hit the resistance band. I am so thirsty. Like I'm drinking my water right now and I can feel the sweat just dripping off my body. Are you guys seeing this? Look at the sweat running off my body, y'all. My pants is soaking wet. Oh, child. Oh, and I'm wearing a sweatband and I rub my stomach with Abilene. I don't want to sit on my couch. Let me just sit on the ground. Oof. I need to cool down a little bit before I go take a shower.
But make up when I'm on it like the girls in movie trap. Saucy, real bad girl, I get nasty.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna head to the pharmacy and when I get back, I am gonna make something to eat.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave.
Alright guys, so I'm done finished cooking. I made the chicken stir fry. I didn't record the full process, but if you guys are interested in the recipe, I will leave the ingredients down below. I'm gonna close the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll hope to see you guys in my next one.